Hey y'all, it's your girl Katie Lux. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Love you guys to the moon and down. For my returning subscribers, hey, what's up, you guys? Your girl is all in black today. It's a very monochrome look. The itinerary today will be, of course, heading to Harrods to see what's new in Chanel. There's been a lot of controversy online with Marquis, the new director, taking over. They have some few launches, which is the 10th today. My essay said to come back on the 10th of January, so I believe like the new launches will be in stock or in stores today, so I'm gonna go check that out. I'm gonna talk about it. I'm gonna be trying it on, and so I really want to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions in the comment section, so make sure you're shooting those, because we want to know what's up with Chanel. Is the classic flaps or handles is gonna be disappearing or what? Let's go check it out. Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and be honest. Let me show you guys my outfit. This is the look. I'm out with the beanie. My hair a bit like showing, kind of giving like boy, but kind of chic and classy at the same time. This is the jacket, like this wool jacket or coat. I believe I got it from COS. No, it's from Honor Stories. And I'm doing long sleeve turtleneck. I think this is wool or cashmere jumper, and I believe I got this from COS as well. And the trousers, oh my god guys, I'm obsessed with the trousers. This is the trousers, high-waisted, that I actually love. And we're going with some Christian Louboutins. Oh no guys, I made a mistake. That was actually Christian Dior. Anyways, we're on me. See you guys when I get to Harrods. Bye. Hello. So this is a continuation of my recent visit in Chanel to see if they had a new collection. Apparently, like the information that was given to me by the essay that I went, I'm gonna link the last haul that I went into Chanel and got some stuff. Unboxing will be coming soon, guys. Gonna relay the raw information to me, stating that their new collection will launch today, but unfortunately that's not the case. And the new summer, the first wave or the second wave of their summer collection will be literally coming next week. So let's talk about it. We know that Jenny has been Chanel ambassador for quite a long time. I think since 2022. If I'm wrong, correct me. And we've seen that there's a lot of like new creation with their the Chanel handbags especially. We've also seen like a die down in the Chanel classic, so there's no longer, it will be minimal really, where Chanel will be re-releasing their classic handbags, with the chain and the leather in between. And now they have like this new type of Chanel bag that they have launched, and they're calling it the Chanel 26, which is like, I don't know, to me I find it to be rather disgusting. I don't like it. I find it to be rather ugly. I don't think it's a type of bag that everyone can pull off. I think it's much more a bag that is people that can pull it off. There's no hate here. It's much more of a structured type of body type, tall, slim, so it can actually sit under your arm as sort of like, I don't know, like what's the word here, a trophy object, something that you kind of highlight in. So it's like the type of highlight your body shape and also your outfit. I really hate the elongated straps. That elongated thin strap. I find the stitching also is ridiculous. I did went into store, which I'm going to insert a clip here, where it's kind of give off the similar type of effect, and that was running for 8K plus, which much more of a wider silhouette, so it's much more boxier and wider, and the strap is not much as elongated as this. We also see that they will be bringing it in different colors, so they also have caviar. The finished touch of the caviar, I find it's to be a bit dull. It's like it's missing something. They also be changing the hardware. I find their bags to be much more casual, wearable type of bag, like an everyday type of bag. It feels more of like not so much of a statement piece, but a piece that can be used often, as we know that some of Chanel bags, because of how pricey it is, and especially living in London, some people kind of being on the fence as to wearing the Chanel bag, especially the Chanel Classic, and always being seen as a Chanel Classic as something, as a special occasion, as a special occasion event, rather than this new bag that they highlighting. We kind of give a much more class, not classy, but like a casual everyday type of vibes. In my opinion, I really don't like it. I know some people make everything looks good, some models make everything look good, hence the reason for models, hence the reason for where models have this very petite structure type of body, because of course they make everything and anything look good. They will be bringing it in different colors as well. They'll be bringing it in pink, in black, and also navy, in a light beige type of color, and kind of like a green type of color as well, like light green, lime green, but kind of more on the neutral tone of it, and also in white. They'll also be bringing it in caviar leather. I think mainly the black might have of this bag, which I'm going to insert picture, will be in caviar, and the others might be in lamb's leather as well. And also the hardware, they'll be changing the hardware. I don't know, in my opinion, a wave, just like the Chanel 25 is going to be a huge wave of it, and it's going to be the next it bag, but I don't think it's a type of bag that is recommended or deemed as a classic type of bag that is timeless and elegant. I think it's just a form of a trend that is going to come very, very hot and very much die out for the remaining of the year, and which transition in the years will completely die out, because it does not maintain that classic, elegant, sophisticated vibes as the classic Chanel. The classic Chanel has been around for over 50 plus years. Like, it's just an like a statement piece, very understated but highly stated, if you get what I mean. Like, it's just a classic piece. Is they will be bringing back, I believe, the Chanel backpack, and I think I remember going into Chanel some weeks ago, and I did saw that, and I did not gravitate towards it. I don't know, I want to hear your opinion in comment section. Let me know what you think about it as well. Is it a piece that you actually gravitate into? And of course, they will have it in calf's leather, and they will always bring it in the different colors. And we know, coming around for the spring, summer times, the colors are much more vibrant. You have a lot of pinks, a lot of greens and blue, and we'll notice that the trending colors of this year will be pink and navy, also green, type of mauve type of green, so it's like pistachio type of green, pistachio green, that's it. So you have to like kind of keep that in mind. It's something that you will love and gravitate to. Then we also see like the rise in the pouch slouchy type of bag. We see that Dior have it. I did went into Dior to have a look, and to be honest, I didn't really like what I saw, so I didn't really even bother to take any shots of it. But I'm going to show a picture here that is provided on a website. A lot of these designer bags is kind of bringing the slouch type of bag. Dior has bring it, as I mentioned. Chanel is bringing it. It's but a much more of a bucket type shape. Also, Louis Vuitton is taking on that new approach as well. And I also feel like everyone is kind of mimicking or looking up to Hermes, because we know like Hermes is the leading powerhouse for luxury handbags. That is basically like everyone trying to get a Hermes bag, and I feel like the directors from the different designer bags is actually taking after Hermes and the design, because as the picotine type of bag that Hermes have bring out, we will see like a vast chain coming down into all the other designer bags. Louis Vuitton have it, which I'm going to insert here. Chanel is also bringing it in, but they bring it in a slightly different type of way, but you could clearly see is a mimic of the Hermes. And also Dior will be bringing that in. I have the Chanel bag that is sort of like an envelope, or basically, let me show you guys. Basically it's type of like this. So they have the bag with the slot in between, and of course they have the Chanel logo, and also we have the metal strap that is here. Is quite adjustable as well. I don't know how you guys think and feel about that, but they also bring it in two colors, which is white with black rims, or the black with white rims. Both will be silver hardware, which, to be honest, I find it kind of complements the colors quite nicely rather than adding gold. I think the gold would kind of like it causes a distortion in the saturation and balance of the bag. Yeah, I really want to hear your thoughts. We're going to see a lot of different colors, as I mentioned earlier. I really want to hear your thoughts with the new Chanel bag. Also, we see like I did saw a bag in Chanel today, like the stitching, you just see it on display, it looks off. I know a lot of people have been complaining about the quality of Chanel has dropped tremendously. I am a huge Chanel and Hermes fan. I really love Chanel and Hermes to the ground, but I must say I am agreeing with people that the quality of Chanel is starting to drop. I think they're doing a social experiment to see exactly what it is that they will get away with. Something like Balenciaga, like what crap can they put out and people will still buy it. I don't know, I really want to hear your thoughts, but that is all for today. This is like my personal opinion as to the new collection that will be launched. Now I will definitely be going into store to see the new collection in person, and of course if I see anything that I really gravitate to and like that, I will buy. One of the bags that I have been eyeing for the longest while that has been sold out is the pink classic fab, but it's also in the wallet on chain. I really love the design of that. It comes with the handle, the metal handle, which is in gold, and also with pearl. I find it to be very dainty, very chic, very feminine, very soft type of vibe, and it gives off very classy as well. I really like that. As I mentioned, I love the classic Chanel handbag. I really love. I think right now I'm going to start looking over into vintage Chanel, because I find the quality is there, it's up to par. They actually used to use gold plate, and that is amazing. Right now they use nickel and different alloys, but yeah, that's my take for that, guys. I really want to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. So also ensure that this video, you're hyping this video up, my girl. Make sure you're liking and commenting and sharing with your friends and loved ones, and I will catch you back on next week's video. Bye from your favorite fashion enthusiast, luxury addict, style educator, Katie Lux. Bye.